Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing another cleaning with me video. I don't know if you guys have watched the first one that I did, but it was really fun and a lot of you guys liked it, so I decided to do another video like that. And this time I actually have like a huge mess. Like, you guys are gonna be shocked because it's so messy. I don't know what happened in here. I don't know why I let my room get like this, but I honestly been wanting to clean it for like a while now. But I was like, no, I'm gonna wait because I really wanted to film it for you guys. So I'm finally going to be able to clean it today, and I'm gonna finally have a clean room, so I could finally get ready and I could finally probably even walk in here because there's just so much boxes that I don't even know where to go. So yeah, that should be really fun. But anyways, I actually have an announcement to make, and that is that I'm finally coming out with my first ever shirt. I'm so excited. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but the shirt that I have on right now, let me scoot a little back, but this shirt that I have on right now is actually the shirt I'm gonna be coming out with. I've been working on this for a while now, and I finally get to share with you guys. So this shirt drops today at 6 p.m. so make sure you have your alarms, your calendars, everything ready so you won't miss out because it is limited edition. But yeah, this shirt, I have another one right here, so that way I could show you guys. But it's a really simple shirt. It says makeup queen because of course we are all makeup queens. And I also added some eyelashes because you guys know I love eyelashes. So in the little corner right here, it has like my signature. So yeah, it's a really simple shirt, but it's really cozy and the material is really good. Make sure you don't miss this because it is limited edition, so make sure you get yours. And if you guys do, make sure you tag me, send me your pictures, because I would love to see you guys wearing this shirt. So yeah, make sure you check the link down below. That way you can check it out, and if you like it, get it. But yeah, that is pretty much it for that. Oh, and I actually wanted to let you guys know that I will be doing a giveaway in this video. So if you guys want to win this, all you have to do is like this video, comment down below your Instagram name or your email, that way I could contact you. I feel like I'm losing my voice, I don't know why. That's a lot better. But yeah, all you have to do is like this video, comment down below your Instagram name or your email, that way I could contact you in case you are the giveaway winner. And what else, just make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you'll be entered. But yeah, that is pretty much it, and let's get started with today's video. Okay, so this is how my room looks like right now. I told you guys, like, this is so messy. My room has never been this ugly. I have a lot of boxes right there, but that's like all makeup that I need to get out and organize. So I'm gonna do that like in a little bit. But yeah, I'm also gonna organize this. I'm gonna show you guys like everything, that way you guys could see like how messy it really is. But yeah, I have all my my newer clothes. This is pretty much all new clothes. Ooh, look what we have here. Okay, makeup queen, I see you. Oh my gosh, this little seat right here always gets like really bad because I always just put like my clothes on there and it gets really messy. I see my bra right there. But yeah, I have packages right here. I have Dot Skill shoes. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is crazy. Oh my gosh. These are all packages that I get and I just leave there. This is not that bad. Oh, look, you see me right there. This is not that bad. Oh, girl, what the fuck? Okay, it's not that bad because I never really like put anything there. I couldn't even do my makeup right here because As you could see, everything is right there. Look how messy this all looks. Like, I'm about to clean everything up right now. I just need to get my little cleaning tools and I'll be back. Okay, so I got my little cleaner, my spray. I actually got a new one. Hopefully it smells good. And I got my little towel so I could start wiping everything down. So time to start. This actually smells really good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start organizing everything right here because it's really messy. I'm gonna organize my lipsticks and stuff because they're all over the place. Just finished cleaning my desk, my beauty desk, as you guys could see, but I still need to do that right there. But I'll do it in a little bit after I finish doing this because right now I'm going to organize all my makeup. So I'm going to, what are my socks doing here? Sorry, see what I mean? Like, there's just so many things going on right here, but I'm gonna show you guys some of the packages I received recently. So let's start with this one right here. This one, Urban Decay sent me this, and this is the Game of Thrones collection. You open this up and boom. So then you open this up and there's a mirror. There's like a little, you know, story kind of thing. And then you open this up and then it closes. Let me take it out because in here there's actually a palette. This is the palette. Pretty sure you guys could tell that there's like a lot of products in here. There's lipsticks, some brushes, and like I think this is a highlighting palette. So I really need to go over this package right here because there's just a bunch of like foundations and concealers and other stuff. So yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna do a giveaway and give away all these like foundations and concealers because I have a lot of them. So over here I have, what is this? Oh my gosh, oh look how cute, a little bee. Why am I shaky? Like, I'm literally so shaky, I don't know why. But this is skincare, which I'm so excited. I can't wait to try. What's in here? There's lip glosses in here. Got some LA Girl stuff. I think these are blush palettes. I'm so sad because my mirror broke the other day and it doesn't really want to like stand up anymore. That's so sad because I love this mirror, but it still works. But what I think I'm gonna do is I'm probably just gonna like glue it together so it won't move. gosh, this is literally getting so full. Like, look at all this new makeup. I wanted to show you guys these slippers. Let me just show you guys like this. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, they actually match my shirt right now. So I'm almost done. I just need to move those boxes over there, and that is pretty much it. And then I'll be moving on to that side over there and on this side, that way I could, you know, start organizing my clothes. I just finished cleaning. Oh my gosh, this took me like 3 hours literally, but everything was worth it because my room is finally clean. I also opened the window because I was so hot in here and my makeup already looks really bad. I feel like I'm so oily. I can't wait to take it off, but I'm gonna show you guys how everything looks like now. So I'm gonna start right here. And I already organized all my new clothes. I also hanged my purses and bags. I have more over here. And I also kind of organized some of my shoes. I have these right here because they don't fit in my other closet. So they're gonna stay there for now. And look at this side, like this was full, like full with clothes and shoes and bags, and now I could finally sit down. And over here I have more boxes, but these actually have, like, you know, makeup that I took out the other boxes. So yep, and this was pretty much already cleaned. So yeah, and oh, let me show you guys how clean it looks right here. Everything is already super clean. It's 8:30 and I'm about to go eat because I'm starving, but I just wanted to come on here to close today's video, of course. So yeah, make sure you enter the giveaway, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you check my shirt. Make sure you get one before they're gone because, like I said, they are limited edition. So yeah, make sure you get your hands on one and make sure you tag me if you do. But yeah, that is pretty much it, and I'll see you guys on my next video.